Hello friends! In winter season, the heating radiators are very hot. This is why the air becomes too dry. You can make a very simple air humidifier that will cost you 50 cents and will take 10 minutes of your time. Well, let's start. We need a dropper. You can buy it in a pharmacy for 50 cents. A towel. A plastic bottle. A tray. I am using a refrigerator organizer as a tray. You can use any bowl instead. Then you need 4 clips and the simple instrument like round nose pliers and scissors. First of all, prepare the towel. It must be bound on the edge so that we have a knot. Fix the towel on the heating radiator. We need a tray to collect the excess of water. Take the dropper and cut off the plastic ending. We don't need it. The regulator goes to trash bin as well. What is left is a plastic pipe and the needle. You may need to slightly flatten the needle. If the water stream is too strong, you need approximately 150 drops per minute. If you use a thinner needle from 2 ml syringe, then you don't need to flatten the needle. It will be just enough. Fix the pipe to the piece of wire. I used a knitting needle. This is necessary to prevent twisting of pipe inside the bottle. Fix the needle above the towel knot. It's all. We have made the humidifier and it is already working. If the water stream isn't enough, you can raise the bottle a little.